Winter means only one thing in every Indian home, garam garam gajar ka halwa. But what if I tell you you can make it instantly without grating and still get that perfect rich taste? Gajar ka halwa is not just tasty, it's super healthy too. Rich in vitamin A for eye health, loaded with antioxidants that support immunity. Ghee and nuts give energy and warmth for winter. Milk adds calcium for growing kids. So, yes, this dessert is actually full of goodness. So take winter carrot, wash them, peel them, and instead of grating, cut them into small chunks. Now add these chunks to a blender. It's optional. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Add a carrot saute and 3 to 4 minutes till it release aroma. Add 1 cup of milk and let it cook until the milk absorbs. Now add khoa and add sugar or jaggery. Mix it well. Add cardamom powder and cook till halwa get glossy. And you can add chopped almond, cashew and a little more ghee for that halwai style shine. And that's it, your rich creamy quickie gajar. So guys, if you want to more quick winter recipe and mom hacks, it's follow and try this halwa today. Trust me, everyone at home will ask for second. So guys, till then, bye, take care. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing healthy recipes.